This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Natalie Sweeney. Beautiful David Weekley home, most popular floor plan because of its charm, courtyard, open floor plan, lots of windows for natural light, and amazing gourmet kitchen with brick wall. Home nestled in the back of the neighborhood on a short double cul-de-sac street where your kiddos will have tons of friends, ride their bikes, and play. This home offers tile flooring from front to back door, study west/French doors built-ins and wood floors, 2 bedrooms downstairs for parents or guests, dining west/French doors, cast stone fireplace, spacious kitchen granite islands/counters, game room west/computer niche area, large media room west/French doors, and so much more. Now the outdoor is just as amazing west/a courtyard accessible from the family room by 2 sets of French doors, covered front porch area, covered back patio, large palapa, large saltwater pool, sprinkler system, garden area, fenced dog area, ect. On the market early due to high interest, better pics coming soon. Showings start 2 p.m. Thursday.